It's only a scratch. I'll be fine.
Hi there guys, I've been asked to do just a little walk around in the workshop so you see where I'm doing all this work on the Tiger. So we just start outside. This is my NG which I use most days, the TCV8. That was all built in here, sprayed in here, tuned in here, everything else. So this is the front section of the workshop. I can get 3 or 4 cars in here. Tucked over in the corner is my mobile single post lift. And the first thing everybody says, single post lift, that will never work, it'll fall over. Trust me, it doesn't. It's rated at 2.5 kilos. I've had 2,500, not 2.5, bloody idiot. 2,500 kilos. And I've had 2,000 kilos on it and it works a treat. And when you want to move it, you pump it up like an ordinary pump truck on the back, drag it to where you want it and plug it in. So as you'll see, it's not a fancy, super shiny, everything behind shiny doors workshop. This is working workshop. On the table here is the beginnings of the roll bar for the Tiger. So I've been busy. And if we walk through this door here, this is my fabrication workshop. We've got a nice big fab table in the middle so we can make anything we want to. We've got a welding station in the corner with MIG and TIG, and then little Jenny roller doing bead swages. A mini mill, it is a tiny one, but it's surprising how much you can get yourself out of trouble with it. Pillar drill, bench grinder, another pillar drill, belt sander. What a fantastic piece of kit. Try not to be without one if you can. Another couple of pillar drills. And over this side, we've got a little 3-foot stomp guillotine, a tiny little old Boxford lathe. Doesn't do much, but again, it'll get yourself out of trouble if you want to. And then a 2'6" folder, and a little set of rollers. None of this is major investment stuff. This is just bits of old kit that I've picked up along the way. And then we've got a big electric bandsaw there and the small one which I use just about every day. So if we now go back out into the main workshop, and you'll see the Tiger body. We've got wheel alignment stuff stuck underneath here because it gets used a lot. Nice big single phase compressor. The little domestic oven up there is so that I can do powder coating at home. And it works really well and it's very simple and it keeps the wife happy because I'm not using the oven in the kitchen. We've got a big old waste oil heater which is 40 years old now and burns old engine oil, old gearbox oil, brake fluid, any old crap I throw in it, it burns it all. We've got a hydraulic press in the corner. Another little smaller MIG welder which is perfect for pulling around in the workshop up here for doing bits of tacking to keep everything in place, and then I can take it into the other room and do the major weld in there. And acting as a clothes horse at the moment, which is a bit sad, is a little English wheel. And if we go back into the back half of the workshop, lots and lots of storage with stuff everywhere and all the tools. Wiring equipment's up here. And you see these plastic curtains hanging down from the ceiling. That's because this room also doubles as my spraying booth. So the plastic curtains roll down, the extractor fan in the window gets turned on, and there's another plastic curtain there which drops down as well. Because I haven't got much space, everything has to do double duty. And yet I know if you're working in the lockup next to your house, you're thinking, you bugger, you've got all this stuff. Well, yes, but I've also been running a business out of it for the last 30 years. So as business premises go, it's not big. I've got more bench space along here. And in the back is my little engine assembly room. I'm not going to show you in there at the moment because it's in a terrible state and I've not cleaned it up lately. And I'll save that for when I do the engine episode. I'll show you that then. Okay, so it's just a little brief overview of this is where I do this. Okay, see you soon guys.